I am making pumpkin ice cream with my Cuisinart ice cream maker. I got this recipe off of their website. And so it is 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons dark corn syrup, 2 cups pumpkin puree. This is fresh puree that I made the other day. 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon. I have a lot of cinnamon. I know you're like, man, that is big. I bought it in bulk for another project, and so I have cinnamon for years and years and years. 1 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 2 3/4 cup heavy cream, and then 1 teaspoon pure vanilla. This I got on a cruise, so it's awesome vanilla. My Cuisinart is an 8-quart ice cream maker. This recipe is 6 cups, so it's gonna fill it pretty full. It still will have a little space at the top, but we'll see. It might be a disaster, or it might work out. We'll see. All right, here is the ice cream mixture with all the ingredients combined. And so this is the barrel that has been in the freezer. It specifically said to have it on before you pour the mixture in. Not for sure why that's important, but we're gonna do it. And if it's too much, oh no, wait, keep going. Oh yeah, we'll be all right. It's gonna be a close one.
It'll be a close call.
It'll be a close call.
Is that going to? Oh, crap.
That's fine. No, it's fine because this is what stirs it.
Okay.
It is definitely gonna be filled to the top. There we go. Usually when we make ice cream, I guess it's only like 4 cups worth. So the fact that it's 6, it's definitely filling capacity.
Holy crap, it's high.
All right, you know what? Might have been a bad idea because it says makes 2 quarts. I gotta calculate this. Do you think we should do a half a batch? You think it's too much for the spinner?
No, I mean, it should be fine, shouldn't it?
I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. Did we overfill our 2-quart ice cream maker? All right, 15 minutes in, and it is definitely too much stuff. I will remember my little 2-quart. You know, that's what I get for looking at a recipe online, because there are like different versions of the Cuisinart machine. And mine is the smallest version, so definitely this recipe is probably for a bigger version. It is starting to turn into ice cream. I'm not going to remove any. I'm going to finish it as is. But next time, if it's like something that requires 3 cups altogether of the, because everything added together was 3 cups. I should have halved it to 3. I'm sorry, everything together was 6 cups. That's too much. I should have halved it to 3 cups. Does that make sense? So, because 2 quarts is 6. I don't know. Am I saying that right? 2 quarts is 6 cups. I think I'm saying that right. All right, actually 2 quarts is 8 cups. And that is why I thought the 6-cup recipe would be okay. So even a 6-cup recipe is too much for the barrel that should have held 8 cups. I guess because the liquid freezes and expands. And so definitely it's getting big. It's just like the 4th of July. Or like a marshmallow when you warm it, it just expands. But it's looking good. I'll just remember to be a little more careful and make sure my barrel is only half full instead of full next time. Still got 2 minutes, honey. You want to try it? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, there's no rules here.
There are rules. It's got 10 more minutes left.
Jesus. Oh man, it's slow.
That's good, but it still needs.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so good. Wait, I don't want to double dip. You know what? It's us. No one else is eating it. I will double dip.
It's really good.
Oh my god. It's like pumpkin pie in ice cream form. It is so good. But I want it to be a little more firm. Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is 25 minutes. I think it's been going long enough. Robert, what do you think? I think it's pretty much once you take the lid off, it's so full, we're committing to it.
Holy moly.
Take the lid off.
How the heck do you get the lid off? It's frozen.
It's just, okay, here.
All right.
Let me put that in the sink real quick. And then take the paddle and put it in that bowl right there.
What's the paddle?
This gray thing.
Oh, good Lord. Are you kidding me? You got
It usually comes out when it's
Give
not
me a spoon.
when it's not stuck full of.
Oh, there's no slots or nothing, is there?
No, it's just
Oh my God.
maybe we'll just leave it in there. No, you got it. Well, yeah. So
There it is.
I guess we'll be eating that ice cream. So I do like the consistency of it. It's ice cream, pumpkin ice cream.
Crazy, man.
So yeah, this was definitely 2 quarts, more than 2 quarts. All right, can you see Beetlejuice on the TV? I think it's a commercial. This is like the 5th time we've watched Beetlejuice and it's only like October 7th.
Yeah.
It just keeps playing on TV. So this is the ice cream and I think it turned out awesome. You definitely have to be a fan of pumpkin pie because it essentially tastes like pumpkin pie, but pumpkin pie ice cream, but it is so good. And it does have a bit of a texture because of the pumpkin puree, but it's still extremely good. And yeah, so it made way too much ice cream for just the 2 of us to eat in one sitting. We will eat it and we store it in the barrel. We just, because there's space in the freezer already, because you freeze the barrel before you make the ice cream. So there's already a spot in the freezer for the barrel. So we'll just put some plastic wrap over the top and put it back in the freezer to freeze until we eat it all. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with how good the ice cream turned out. And it definitely should have been made in a bigger quart. It worked. I mean, I guess it worked. So I guess it's perfectly fine in a 2 quart. It just was overflowing a little bit, but it didn't make a mess. It didn't go out of the machine. So I think next time, I'll probably just stick with the 6 quarts. It was a close call, but it still worked. So whatever. And Robert is like, what do you think about it, honey?
I think I gorged myself too much on it. This is probably like my 4th bowl or something. I don't know. I was eating off the top, but it kept coming more and more and more.
He was eating off the top while it was mixing. He was eating it while it was mixing. So, but
I said I wasn't gonna overeat, and what did I do?
He likes the whipping cream in it.
I do. Kills my stomach though.
Oh, so good. So good. And you see all those pumpkins I have on the table? Those are all pumpkin pie pumpkins. I'm just gonna make everything possible with pumpkins this month. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of this Cuisinart ice cream machine. I mentioned it before. It's a prize from Dave & Buster's, one of the best prizes I've ever got. But I know they sell these ice cream makers everywhere, at Walmart, at Kohl's, at Target. If you're just 2 people, the 2 quart is perfect. If you're a family that's more than 2 people, definitely get the next size up. And it's pretty versatile. There's so many things you can do with the ice cream machine, not just making ice cream. I follow another YouTuber she will just put a Coke in it and let it spin for 10 minutes, and she essentially makes a frozen Coke. This winter, I'm definitely gonna try that with hot cocoa. Where were we where we had frozen hot cocoa?
Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Indiana.
Santa Claus, Indiana, a couple years ago, they had frozen hot cocoa and it was so good. And so I'm gonna try that this winter. So yeah, this ice cream maker, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely just go, because it comes with a booklet that has a couple of recipes, but you just go to the Cuisinart website and they got a bazillion and 1 recipes of. Robert's like, I'm done. You got ice cream on your chin. Here.
All right.
So yes, pumpkin ice cream. Make it, try it, it's the best. And anyway, I hope everyone is having a wonderful October. Happy Halloween, and I will see you guys later.